Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox the ASUS Bluetooth 4.0 USB adapter. So I got this from Fry's Electronics for around $7, which I think it was $6.99 with a promo code. Without the promo code, I would think the regular price would have been $15 or $14.99. So good to have the promo code if you shop from Fry's Electronics. So today we're going to unbox this thing and see what type of things we get inside it. Before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is: ASUS USB BT-400 USB adapter, Bluetooth 4.0. I think this model is the USB BT-400. In case if you're wondering, you have a mini USB stick inside. Here it says it has the power saving Bluetooth low energy mode. This is fully compatible with 3.0, 2.1, and 2.0. This supports Windows 10, and this comes with a 2-year warranty. You get the Bluetooth logo, Smart Ready. And let's take a look around the box. So here around the box it says USB BT400 Bluetooth 4.0 USB adapter. Here's the other side of the box, which is more important, is the specifications. And here you can read all about it. You can pause the video if you want to read all about it, but there it is. And the package contents includes the USB BT400 Bluetooth 4.0 USB dongle. It has a quick start guide and a support CD, which we will be looking at it later. So you can pause the video if you want to read this stuff. This is the more important stuff. And let's take a look on the back side. The back side says get Bluetooth 4.0 and connect with various devices. Here you can also pause this part of the video to read your language. So I'm going to read the English one. Most advanced Bluetooth 4.0 dongle backwards compatibility with Bluetooth 3.0 and 2.1, low energy technology for energy saving wireless connectivity. So here's all the legal stuff at the bottom, all the information that you want. So make sure you pause the video if you're interested in reading this part. But with that being said, let's finally unbox this thing. So I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. Let's finally cut through the box. So this has two sealed tape, or two tape that seals the box. Let's open this up. Oh, there we go. So for $7, I think this is a good deal, coming from a company that is reputable, or that has a reputation. So we get the CD, our guide, and this part, our main, why are you here today. So here's the CD. Here's the CD quick start guide, ASUS wireless quick start guide and software. Let's put that back to where it belongs. I think this is serves the installation guide if I'm not mistaken. But here's the steps before you proceed, and how to install the Bluetooth driver. You can pause the video if you want to read this part. And what inside is using the Bluetooth 4.0 dongle. And in our next pages are different languages served throughout the world. Yeah, that's about it for that part. And in having trouble, call us at 1-812-282-2787, or you can email them during these times. And there you have it for that part. Here's the back side. That's about that. And let's check this part out, or the main reason why you are here. This is super small. So let me do a size comparison for this USB dongle. Keep saying dongle for some reason. So here it is again. So I have 3 coins. Let's start with at the penny. This is a United States penny. We have Abraham Lincoln. Here's the size comparison in case you are wondering. So I bought this for my PC, which I think I can tuck it under the covers of my PC in front. So this is slightly bigger, slightly larger. The USB dongle is slightly larger than my other penny. Here is the nickel, which is bigger than the penny, obviously. So let's see the size comparison of that. This is a pretty crap size comparison, but this is the best I could do. Here it is. So might want to bring out a ruler, which I have. So the nickel is slightly larger than the USB. And here's the quarter, which we all know and have. And yeah, so the quarter is larger than the USB. And I have my ruler out here. Let's measure this up. So in case you are wondering, let's measure in centimeters. Have it upside down. Here in centimeters this is about just about under 2 centimeters. Yeah, somewhere about that. So just 2 centimeters, approximately 2 centimeters, if not 2 centimeters exactly. And yeah, and if you're in case you're wondering, the head size is basically 1.5 centimeters. And yeah, so, and here's the length or the width. I don't know how you call these things, but it's under 2 centimeters, just over 1.8 centimeters, or 1.9 centimeters, under 2 centimeters. So there you have it. Did the best I could in describing this product and dimensions of this product, but there you have it. If you liked this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out my other YouTube content. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next episode.